Welcome to our review on electricity from the sun. First thing we need to look at then is what photocells actually are and what they do. So what we're actually looking at here then is how we're going to get energy from the sun. So what happens is the sun's going to transfer energy to Earth as light and as infrared radiation. Now what a photocell actually does is it absorbs the light energy and it transforms it into electrical energy. And as a result of this transformation, they produce this thing called direct current, or DC. Now, the reason it's called direct current is because it's in the same direction all the time. And aside from photocells, we also see direct current being produced by batteries. So what we find is that the amount of current generated by a photocell depends on the area that's got the light shining on it. Now, we've got a few advantages and disadvantages that we need to know about our photocells. So the advantages, first of all, once we've got the photocell there, then it's very low maintenance. And because it's obviously relying on the energy from the sun, we don't need a fuel. The photocells themselves have a very long life and they're not going to produce any waste. Because they're using this renewable energy source, i.e. one that's not going to run out, then that means that it's going to last a long time for us. And the last one is that we don't actually need any power cables, which means that we can use them in very remote locations. If we consider the disadvantages, however, we do need a large area of photocells to generate a significant amount of electricity. So you're kind of talking about a big field of photocells. And the other big issue is that they're only going to work when the sun is shining. So they're not going to work at night, and they're not going to work, obviously, if the sun doesn't shine on them for any reason.